Hi, this video will be showing how to download the Superlive Plus apps to your phone for remote viewing the NEXCAM DVR or NVR system from outside overseas to remote viewing. Alright, so firstly you must come to your phone and because we got two type of OS operating system of phone, such as Android and iPhone. So iPhone mostly you go to the App Store, and then for the Android mostly you go to the Play Store. Okay, so after you go to the Play Store there, you can go to the search there, the apps, the Play Store apps, search, and then you search the Superlive Plus, and then they download it. Okay, after download is successful, they will showing that one of the apps you will successful on your phone, install your phone. Then click over here. Okay, after you click, then you will open the apps. Then secondly, then you must be install adding on the NEXCAM DVR and NVR to your apps there. Alright, okay, so I will show you how to add the DVR or NVR device to your phone. Okay, firstly you come over here menu. Alright, then you come to the see this icon, then you will see this icon, QR code icon. Okay, hold on, I'll zoom in. After you click it on this scale QR code, then it will automatically show you the QR code. Then you starting up now, you need to use this phone to come over here. Okay, on your right corner above, click the scan, and then scan the QR code. Alright, after you scan the QR code, they're successful. They were reading regarding this serial number, regarding this DVR serial number. Alright, hold on. Alright, then secondly you will see the serial number and then the device name. Device name, you can put your something, your rename, your site name, or anything. Alright, mostly we will use this username, password, and you click over here. I think you use this type method, I think it will be more easily to you. Okay, later on you click your site. Okay, site name, whatever lah, or favorite name, you can remember it. Okay, admin, and then username admin, and then the password is 1 2 3 4 5. Mostly on our products such like NEXCAM DVR and NVR, mostly we will write the default password is a user 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so later on you successful already, then you click save. After the save, so it will show you want to check this identify is it successful the adding on or not. You click over here on this corner there, the device icon. You click over here, you see let's say the successful the click adding this device. It will be showing this test. This is my testing another unit or whatever. It will show you the signal is successfully reading and connected. If let's say the internet is disconnect, it will show you this icon, the signal icon. You will show the gray color or nothing showing the green color icon. Alright, so other on you can press directly play. Alright, and then press play, it will see all. After you saw this adding device DVR, such like DVR and NVR is successful adding on to your apps there. Alright, okay, second video I will show you again how to adding NEXCAM DVR and NVR device from one of the user is sharing the QR code to you to scan it up. Alright, it's not necessary to come over the site and then facing the TV, the scan, and then scan scan this QR code. No need. Okay, second the video I will show you. Okay, this is the part 2 of the video to install the NEXCAM DVR and NVR by scan the QR code was sent from the your parent or your friend or something, right? So it's not directly, no need to not necessarily go to the system to scan the QR code, right? Okay, mostly on the apps there, if let's say one of the user is successful to was installed adding on this NEXCAM CCTV DVR and NVR device to your phone already, you can sharing the QR code, right? Share the QR code sent by the WhatsApp, okay, WeChat, something, all right? Send a successful to your phone. Then your phone, you must keep the QR code to your phone photo album there, all right? So okay, now is one example. We show you example is one of the hand that this phone is staying overseas or something, all right? So they want to add this user, they want to add the NEXCAM DVR and NVR, all right, to remove the view or so the remote viewing, all right, from overseas. Okay, so you come over here. Firstly, you come over here, press this QR, all right. This is apps, all right. After you open the apps, then you click over here, all right. Click over here, scan the QR code, then also you click this this icon. There's a photo album, all right. Sorry. All right. Click the photo album, then. All right. Then after you saving all the QR code for the two type. One is type the snapshot the picture from a phone. Second is this is a QR code sent from another phone user by WhatsApp to send to you the WhatsApp by WhatsApp, then it's saving to your phone album there. All right, so you can use this one, right? Use this one. Okay, then the method is also same like first of all video. So the same thing, username, password, then click your rename, your site name, the CCTV site name, and then the password is mostly we will set 1 2 3 4 5 6 by default, right? And then after that, keep save. Then after that is it will be successful. You can check over here, or you can check over here. Click over here. All right, you see? Okay, this is showing the test of one of the site. Your CCTV site is test is successful already. So you press click play, then it will showing all the CCTV video. All right, on your from your phone from overseas. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, number third of the video. Actually, I will explain, show you how to playback. Okay, mostly playback is one of the icon be showing over here. All right, then you click over here. Then it will be showing directly to go to the playback section. All right. Then you can choose your camera by channel or channel. Also you can. All right. So you can click over here. Let's say the highlighter is showing the sum of the channel is under recording. Right. This is a red gray color from. It means the sum of the video is disconnected. Right. This is we call the playback. And then you want to listen all the sound. The speaker sound from the camera, recording camera. After then you want to play back the sound, you can click over here. They will directly we will showing and got the sound. All right. So okay, you come back to the live. Live also you can click enlarge the channel video. Then you must be careful. Okay, why you showing the video is very blurred? Okay, because these apps will be automatically help you to tune and get it the substream and low resolution. We can prevent some phone hanging over there because some the data, the broadband data is signal is not strong. Whatever they will show you a very low resolution video to easily your phone is running more faster. So you want a more HD, you click over here, then you click HD. All right, you come over here, hold on, click HD. All right, click HD, then you find the high definition. Okay, then it will show you the high definition resolution will come up. All right, you want a more super definition, also can, no problem. But the video is quite heavy and big, so you must make sure that your phone is broadband and enough the speed to play the video. All right, so you can choose this a multi-channel view. All right, and you can click over here. Okay, so I think overall you can explain by yourself. Okay, I think should be mostly user is use this method, this 7 method. Okay, thank you.